Samsung Galaxy A53. Best Android phone $449. Worth every penny. The Samsung Galaxy A53 is the latest budget phone from the electronics giant, coming in with a big 120Hz display, decent performance for the price, and cameras that almost stack up to the competition. There's a lot to love about this phone, which is everything we liked about last year's Galaxy A52 along with some nice and welcome upgrades. For $449, you get a well-rounded phone. Even if its cameras aren't the best among the best cheap phones, they're good enough for most circumstances if you prefer Samsung's trademark fantastical and oversaturated photos. And fans of expandable storage will rejoice, since the Galaxy A53 supports up to 1TB microSD cards. Is this the best phone under $500? Read our Samsung Galaxy A53 review to find out why it's the sub-$500 phone we'd recommend over other contenders. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, price and availability. The Galaxy A53 comes in at a very attractive $449/$399 price. For that money, you get 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, with microSD card support up to 1TB. You can buy the phone directly from Samsung and other electronics retailers. The Google Pixel 5 also costs $449, and it comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage just like the Galaxy A53. It's currently one of the best cheap phones you can buy, even with its older chipset. The current Pixel, however, lacks the A53's expandable storage and is only available in the US and Japan. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, design. I can best describe the Galaxy A53's design as simple but effective. The plastic body feels nice and far from cheap, even if it does pick up fingerprint smudges rather easily. Overall, I find the phone to be solidly constructed, similar to the Pixel 5a. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, display. The Galaxy A53 sports a very nice 6.5-inch AMOLED display. You get FHD resolution and, best of all, a 120Hz refresh rate. A $449 phone with a 120Hz display is definitely wild, and it's the nicest display I've seen at this price. However, you have to choose between a 120Hz or 60Hz rate. Unlike Samsung's more expensive phones, the Galaxy A53 does not adjust that refresh rate automatically. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, cameras. The Galaxy A53 needs to prove itself when it comes to cameras, since the Pixel 5a and iPhone SE 2022 are stellar in this regard. The A53 sports a quad camera setup with a 64MP main sensor joined by 12MP ultrawide, 5MP macro, and 5MP depth shooters. Around front, you'll find a 32MP selfie cam. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, performance. With its Exynos 1280 system on chip, the Galaxy A53 won't win any performance races. That said, the phone does fine in day-to-day use, though it's not the best gaming device you can get at this price. That title goes to the iPhone SE 2022 with its A15 Bionic chip, the same one you'll find in the iPhone 13. Samsung Galaxy A53 review, battery life and charging. The Galaxy A53 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty large. Other flagships like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, OnePlus 10 Pro, and Pixel 6 Pro all also have 5000 mAh power packs. So you'd think the Galaxy A53 would be a battery life champ, right? Samsung Galaxy A53 review, software and special features. Samsung did a great job with the Galaxy A53's software. It's the same One UI 4.1 that you'll find on the Galaxy S22, and that means the device is running Android 12. That includes many customization features, better privacy and security, and Samsung's commitment to updates.